Are you paying more for services like a Weber and get response as your subscriber list grows? What about shelling out $97 per month for ClickFunnels? Just to build pages that can be pulled offline should you ever fail to pay your crazy monthly bill. It's time for a change. LeadsLeap is the answer. No paying more for more subscribers. Unlike a Weber or GetResponse, LeadsLeap offers unlimited subscribers for just $27 per month. This is for your pro account, which allows you to run automated email follow-ups. Advanced features. Enjoy unique tools like Loop, Find and Replace, and share codes for effortless automation and even team building. Replace expensive page builders. Why pay $97 per month for ClickFunnels when LeadsLeap gives you a fully functional and quite attractive page builder with all the bells and whistles for much less? Extra perks. A link rotator and tons of built-in traffic are also included, making this a true slam dunk that's really all you need. This isn't just a switch, it's an upgrade to your entire online marketing strategy. Upgrade to LeadsLeap now. Welcome to efficient, affordable, and highly effective marketing, my friend. See you there. I'm leaving the link to the official website down below in the video description. Go now and enjoy the resources.